No appetite these days? This might be your new favorite summer kimchi. Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make a refreshing, healthy cucumber kimchi. It's not spicy at all, so anyone can enjoy. And the best part, it's packed with the probiotics and great for your gut. Let's make it together. It's super easy. Cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Rinse twice, then sprinkle 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix well and let it sit for 30 minutes. Don't rinse after salting, just drain the water. That way, the kimchi broth will be more flavorful. Cut cucumber in half lengthwise. Use a spoon to remove the seeds. Cut into 1-inch pieces. Pickling cucumbers are crunchier and more flavorful. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. And let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, no rinsing, just drain the water. No rinsing, just drain the water. Place the drained cabbage into a large container. Add the drained cucumbers on top of the cabbage. Slice the red and yellow bell peppers into bite-sized pieces. The peppers add crunch, color, and mild sweetness. Add them all into the container. Cut the scallions into 1-inch lengths. In a blender, add a half onion, 2 tablespoons of cooked rice, and 2 cups of water. Blend well. Now let's season the broth. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. It gives that classic kimchi flavor. Then just a half teaspoon of ginger for a little depth. Next, 1.5 tablespoons of salt and 7 more cups of cold water. Pour 2 cups of pear juice. If fresh pears aren't in season, no worries. Store-bought pear juice works well. And if you can't find that, apple juice is a great substitute too. Want it a bit sweeter? Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, totally optional. And the broth is ready. Strain again and pour the clear broth over the prepared vegetables. Straining keeps the broth clean and fresh looking. Leave the kimchi at room temperature for 1 day, then move it to the fridge. After a day or 2, the broth gets a cool, slightly tangy flavor. It's best enjoyed within 2 weeks while the cucumbers are still crunchy. Cool, crunchy, healthy cucumber kimchi is done. Try it with some fresh cucumbers this season. If this video was helpful, please like or subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.